Hi, welcome. So in this video, we are going to see very important concept in MS Excel. So this is not related to any specific MS Excel functionality or a data set. If you are using MS Excel in your day-to-day life activities, right? So this technique, this tip, what I'm going to explain in this video will definitely going to help you. You save a lot of time actually. So make sure to watch this video till the end. At the end I am also going to show you a method how you can automate the entire process. I mean, like within one click you'll be able to do whatever I'm explaining in this video, in this 2 minutes video, right? So make sure to watch this video till the end. I will also tell you the automation technique. Okay, let's get started. So, and one more thing, if you are first time visiting my channel, right, I would suggest you to subscribe and click the bell icon, so whenever I publish a new video you will get the notification. So let's get started. So I have different MS Excel sheets here. For example, sales detail sheet, sales revenue sheet, salesman sheet, and similarly there are few other sheets also. So almost I have 7 MS Excel sheets. You see names also. Sometimes we cannot avoid by giving more text in the MS Excel sheet, right? For example, product wise sales amount. Then only we will be able to understand properly. For example, especially when you are sharing this MS Excel sheet with others, right? So once they read the entire text, then only they will be able to understand what that particular MS Excel sheet contains. So in that scenario, probably we can't able to avoid by giving the entire name of the MS Excel sheet. And especially like when you are working with a multiple sheets like this, right, you have to navigate like this one after the other. And when you are, especially when you are doing complex analysis, sometimes you will get confused what exactly you are doing. So we are going to achieve a tip for this actually. So we are going to come across solution for this scenario. So first we'll see like here I have 7 MS Excel sheets, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to prepare a kind of index for all the sheets actually. Sales detail sheet, sales revenue, each state, and then date wise sales amount, etc. So I already prepared this for you. You don't need to worry about it. I can tell you with one click. You'll be able to automate everything, whatever I'm explaining in this video, right? Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to copy this all Excel sheet names and also the index column here, and also like name I will copy and I will put it here, and then let me reformat it this index also, and let's make it as some table format like this. So let us remove this now, it is not required. You notice this, right? I have 7 MS Excel sheet. So for all sheets I have prepared one name in each row like this, right? So the requirement here is I don't want to click each and every individual sheet and navigate there actually. I'm not at all going down and click each and every individual sheet for my data analysis. I'll be managing here itself. I don't need to click on one sheet, another sheet, and come back. Nothing like that. You just listen what I'm going to explain here, right? So what you have to do is, for example, I have created a one new worksheet called index, and I have prepared all the sheet names here. The first sheet name, right, sales details sheet, you can just right click on it and come all the way down. You notice that there is a link option, right? You can just click on the link. And as I said guys, you don't need to worry about it, all this manual process. I can tell you the way how you can achieve this with one click. I would say within 1 or 2 seconds you'll be able to do this entire process, right? So you have to click on this place this document option, and then from the index first row sales detail sheet. So what is our link? So sales detail sheet, right? So I'm going to provide a link for this. See, the link is created. Let us see one more sheet, right? Sales revenue each state. The similar way, uh, I am going to create a link. Right click on it, right click on it, So hyperlink already there, that is why it's showing. So no problem, we can give one more time. So I have selected the same sheet and I'll click on OK. It is created, right? We'll see one more thing. No, not a problem. So third one, you see the link is enabled, right? Salesman quantity sold. So you come to here and select this, place this document in area, and then click on the sheet where you are in. Salesman quantity sold this time, right? So you can click on OK. You see all the links are created, right? All the links are created. So, and one more thing, what we are exactly going to do here, right? When I click on the sales detail sheet, see, I'm coming to sales detail sheet, right? So here what I'll do is, in column J or K, what I'll do, I'll put just index. I'll remove this, I'll put it here. I'll put index, and what I'll do is I can just right click on the index row, and again I'll go to link, and I'll just link on the index page. You got it, right? If I click on index here now, now it will navigate to the index, and you can click whatever the sheet you want. For example, sales revenue each sheet, right? If you can click here, right, you can come here, and you can also go to the first sheet, and you can just copy the index, and you can put it in all the data sheets you want, here and here, and whatever the sheets you have, right? You don't need to worry about it. I can tell you how you can automate this overall process, right? Yeah. And also this sheet, so I can put it here. This one, okay. So you can just click on the index, you'll be navigated to the index page, and whatever the sheet you want, you can just click on it, and you don't need to come all the way down. Even if you have 10 sheets or 20 sheets for that matter, right? You can simply create this, and you can just click on the uh, each each and every individual sheet, and you can navigate as per that. And also there is an index already created in the sheet, right? So you can click on that, and again it will redirect it to the index page, right? This is how you can create a indexes and save your time. So now I'm going to explain you like how you can automate the entire process with one click, right? So believe me, guys, see, we almost spent 2 minutes time, right? Let me tell you with one click how we can automate this. Right, I'm going to remove everything, right? So you can come to here at the end. You notice there is a sheet, right? You don't worry. I will put this sheet in the description so that you can apply the same for your scenario also. Maybe you may have a different sheets for that matter. You can just create a index sheet, and you can just with one click you'll be able to automate it. So right now I am in the index page, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to just right click on the index a sheet, and click on the view code. When you click on the view code, let me remove this. I just copied the code from the other sheet, right? I'm going to paste it here. What I have to do is I just have to click on run option. That's it. You come to the sheet, right? You see, notice, so all the data sheets are created here with the hyperlink, with the index. So I have not prepared this one manually, right? With one click I have done this automated automation. You notice that first initially, right, I created the index row in each sheet only for 3 sheets, not for all the sheets, right? Let me click on the seventh row, state-wise quantity sold. When I click on this, you notice that state-wise quantity sold, I am here, right? You notice that in column A there is an index is already created, right? This is the automation. We have not created this index, right? It was there by default. You can remove this. See, notice that. So our automation code is generating a new index. When you click on this new index, you will come to this sheet, right? See how important this concept for us, right? When we are working on multiple worksheets on day to day. So I hope this video is useful to you guys. One more important thing is that, so if you want to automate any MS Excel task, right, so I have included a course in the description below. If you want, you can download that course and practice it. So by using that course, you'll be able to learn. So whatever the MS Excel task, you can automate, and with one click, you will be able to achieve it actually. I hope this video is useful to you. Please subscribe to this channel. Going forward, we will discuss more and more tips like this. And also click on the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification.